Let's face it, buying a camcorder can be a daunting task, especially when you know what you want, but you're not entirely sure how to get that point across. First of all, you've got to get a camera that is sharp, a camera with exceptionally good lens. That's not too hard to ask for, is it? The other thing that you really need to know, and you should get, is a camera that you can focus close-up. A camera that will take close-up photos. This hibiscus, for example, right after the rain. And perhaps sometimes you may even want to get closer, right to the tip of the leaves. Your camera should be able to do that. And it should be able to do that in high def. After all, you spend a lot of money on your TV, high def TV. Digital zoom sounds good, but it's not all that good, really. Optical zoom is really what you want. This particular camera had a 20x optical zoom, meaning of course that it could zoom up to 20 times. That is pretty good. You should get a camera that's able to do that, and that's not too hard to ask, really. I'm showing you a lot of zooms here, even though when you start to shoot videos and movies, you really shouldn't use a lot of this technique. Really, it makes you seasick. No, the point I'm trying to make here is that you should be able to stay one place and just get as close as you want to without having to move around. Once you focus your camera, then just shoot pictures. Here's a good example. I don't know what's under this log, so I couldn't get very close. So I stand way away from this log. I focused in to these little plants or whatever they are. See? It's that simple. The other thing your camera should be able to do is manual focus. Now, this is automatic focus, but I don't want the background. What I really want is to focus on the leaf. You see the difference? I'll do that again with another scene. So your camcorder should be able to have manual focus. Here we go again. This is what the camera wants me to shoot, but this is what I want to shoot. So, nice, good lens, and you should be able to focus on what you want to focus. There are other factors, of course, such as face recognition and all that, but I think those basics are important. Now, what you want to do is take this video to your camera store. And if they don't want to talk to you, then perhaps you should shop elsewhere. After all, you're spending a lot of money to buy the camera. This particular camera will now cost around $300 or so. That'll give you an idea as to what you should spend. Okay? In the meantime, just enjoy, relax, enjoy, and think about what I just said.